Previously.
Hello to the cruise, bro! Yeah! Yo, noon believe what the fuck up in the real come on, back. Alright. Wipe off the youngers. I drop this, I think I want to drop off on. Oh, see you there. Go back in your boat. I better calm itself, you know, man. Yeah, man. Go up back on the hill before the rain. Cause I hope the rain love fall. Yeah. Water bike, yeah. You smell the newness on it. You smell the newness on the bike, yeah. Alright, little more. Something bigger. I don't know, freaking in Agri Park. No boat failing though. Shit horse, Jack. What you want? Yes, then! I'm going to Constantine Road! Yo, that shit there, I think up my foot there. Hurt up my foot, bro. Woo! Yes, that's why it's called the dirty left shoe, brother! Dirty left shoe crew, do up on itself. Bombitas. Where too much traffic come from? Yeah, boy. It's your boy and your girl. Yeah. Juki. Well, hello there. Oi. Bombard. Holy shit, nigga. Holy shit, don't wake me up, please! Don't wake me up, please! Oh god, in times like this, overtaking is not an option. You sit behind the vehicle Let them part the Red Sea like Moses. You know? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh. I think they like the sound of my bike. Dude, I hate riding without horn. Revving your engine, I don't think revving your engine is as quick as pressing your horn. Oh my God. We have to kickstart this. Holy mother. Woo! Holy mother of Moses. Woo! Mamma mia. Oh shit, bro. I need a water boat, man. Oh, don't. Please, I beg of you. Don't wet me up. I am so dry. Mama, you're naive. Mama. That one I need to pop this one. Please, we cannot stop. Dog, the water, come up. Oh God. My foot tired. Ah! My foot tired. Oh God. Oh God. Dog, I make a call. Where am I make call for? Where am I make call for what? Oh God, man, damn. Oh God. Oh God, dog. Yo, my foot wet. When I go wipe me out from that one, but my bottom wet. Yo. Oh my God, dude, don't come out. I need to go. I can't stop. Holy shit, bro. This is insanity. Come on, man, I can make it. Woo. Well, hello there. Short playing. Let's go, we can do it! Ah! Yeah, baby! Yo, me soak, daddy. Soak. God. Now you can see that green light with blood now. You have to step out from them, G. You can't turn up and wait. And the light now have to change, bro, G. You have to step out, man. Step out. Go on, step out from them. Go on. Use your cover. Alright, my lady. And a good girl. Woo! Oh shit! My God, it's wetter than somebody's grandma time. Oh God. Oh my God! Oh! Oh! water come straight up. Nah, the water is shooting right up. Water is shooting right up now. I'm going through this thing. Shit. Where are you? To jump off on me, alright, I go like that. I thought I was shifting up, but I didn't know. Yes, it was not right like this way, but what sir? Yes, it, but I'm doing it because I need to cool the hell off, man. Go back for dry, dog. That's a dry. Oi. You don't see what you get that. I am obeying the sound like today. Maybe I do a stone hill. Yeah, I'll just buy a stone hill. Boy, black. Back up. Oh. Put it there so good. Hey, what? Put it on back to it. Hey, move out of the way, man. Move. Today I'm on a mad day, them. Every day I'm mad so much. Today I'm on a mad day. Y'all are slowing down that shit, man. Go for the boss! Hey, boss boy, go after! Hey, boss boy! Whoa! Oh shit, we can't go see boss boy now. See a thing that go on up ahead, you know, man. Yeah! One more! Oh, there that is! Woo! Should we jump again? Disappear! Oh god, we can't disappear. Yeah! Hey, boss boy, are we on? Hey, boss boy! Boss boy! Boss boy! Hold that boss boy on here! Hey! Woo! I really want that one. Woo! Wow! Yes! That's a big gear. 1 minute! Alright, put my down now. I will not go over to the cafe. Give me over. That's a 2 day in a row. That's that. 2 speed ตัวใครครับเราจะเก็บอยู่นอกเส้นทาง Jump on here, let's try it up here. Yeah. Pull it up, that's it up. Yeah. Acá de ahí limpieza. Acá ahí la llamada, acá de ahí limpieza. Gracias. Are you an idiot? You're an idiot. Gear. Just one gear. Just one more. A third gear. Second. Whoa, the clutch. Blood, the clutch, I'm pulling it. I get that out. Yes, I don't know, like burp, burp, burp. This scared me, like, yes, third gear now. Before that, one more ring it round the bundle. Down back in the third. Put up. Hot energy. Hey boy, put on your pan. What? Market close to ground like a deer. No, I said like a beer, like a moth. Jesus Christ. What am I doing to myself? Okay, yeah. Fourth gear, that's one them boy. I want you. One more. Fifth gear, that one there boy. I don't know much of it. I want to pass by this one. Watch out, yeah. Watch out now. Give them one down there, ring, two down there, you know. But I can't turn right. Is that? Three down there, second gear. Third gear. Whoa! We got a jump, sir. Yeah, the G. Watch out now, whoa, boom, whoa, watch out now, yeah, come in because of this, you know, this, you know, carrot, you know, I'm done now, baby, jungle, woo, sorry, well, one down now, baby, yeah, and here it's a bang, so you have to put one down in our belly like I can't. Not too moon. You have to yank it, you know. Yank it to make it, you know. Up in our belly. Yeah. The tail to talk. I can't believe my good shoes. So clear that. Good shoes, I'm the only good shoes it's not that. Yang. Hello, do you want to ride on my bicycle? On my bicycle? Oh my god. Boy, I watch me say, boy, me yang it up in your face, you know. Okay, we're gonna stop talking to ourselves. Yang. Up in her. You know that girl, she used to go to my high school, bro. Up in her. I'm so tired. Go for that whole piece of yang. Yang. cheap out of so. The cheap out of so dog, that's so near. Little bit over 6 bills, down so me I pay over 7 bills. So me go buy because $1,000 me I pay. Are you crazy? You crazy man? You a little crazy man, are you? Nah, bruv, I'm not crazy. I'm just going to do. Like about yesterday, the Honda and the Hornet. Nice, look, Civic. Whoa, shit, dog, I'm sighted that patrol. Come here. Yo. No! Shut up, Bobby, oh shit. Maybe 5 minutes more, I don't know. Yeah, 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 yeah. One thing I'm not going to do again in a overtake so. I mean, look, you know what I mean? You can chance it and do it, but never stop doing it. Bike doesn't limbo dog. The miss nimbling. That's so bad. Nimbling. Nimbling. Fighting these photos like a boss. The coffee lockdown song just step on my mind. Fresh cash. Yo, the man nearly be there. I want to be yo, that. I go. Oh man! Yeah, tell you, geez, some people, the man just reached a stop and the man just a bust a turn already, dog. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Holy shit! Oh man! Shut up, brother! I'm here to put you.